Hey Dennis, I'm so excited to talk to you about a brand new property project in Singapore, the Botany at Dairy Farm.
I'm equally excited, Cheryl. The Botany at Dairy Farm has so much to offer in terms of location, value, investment potential, as well as its fantastic unit layouts. Definitely a new star project to add into developer Simlin's strong track record.
That's right, and we're going to break it down for you in this video.
So without further ado, Cheryl, let's get started.
Sure. Firstly, the location is fantastic. It is just a stone throw away from essential amenities like supermarket, retail, F&B, and even a childcare. Plus, less than 10 minutes walk away from the nearest MRT station, hill view on the downtown line. Furthermore, research has shown that living near trees can help with anxiety, stress, and depression. And Botany is surrounded by 413 acres of lush greeneries that has in abundance. The perfect place to find calm in nature within our hectic day-to-day lives. Secondly, Botany at Dairy Farm is set to launch at an incredible price. That's because it is one of the few remaining land plots that cost less than 1,000 per square feet. Looking further at the pipeline of launches for the year, the Botany is likely one of the best value buy for a full facilities, family-friendly condo in the 2023. Just think about how rare it is to find point blocks in new development these days.
That's very, very hard to find.
Yes, you're right. Thirdly, something you may not know is that Botany lies within an urban design planning area. This means the development in the vicinity is subject to special guidance to preserve and enhance the character of the location.
Ooh.
Some examples of urban design planning areas outside the central regions are Jurong Lake District, Paya Lebar Central, and the Punggol Digital District, coupled with plenty more plots of land yet to be released for sale at Dairy Farm. This represents a great investment opportunity for buyers of Botany. I'm excited to what's to come. Over to you, Dennis.
All right, let's go. So we have sizes all the way from 1+ study to 5-bedroom, suitable for all kinds of needs for investors all the way to multi-generational families. So Botany is a condo project that you definitely do not want to miss. We have 1-bedroom plus study starting from 506 square feet. So 1+ study right now is a perfect size for a growing family or even an investor who wants to rent your unit to the nearby international school. The 2-bedroom units are even more fantastic. It comes with a dumbbell design that is very, very spacious. You got to see for it yourself to believe. This design-wise is suitable even for partitioning into 2 different separate units that you can use it for either investment or your own stay.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. As for the 3 bedrooms, we have 7 different layouts for you to choose from, all the way from a 3-bedroom to a 3-bedroom premium, and lastly a 3-bedroom flexi. So for the 3-bedroom flexi, it will be the unique one, where you can actually knock down one of the study room to create a bigger living space, or you can actually partition out the room for maybe a study room or a helper.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah, this is something that for most condos nowadays you don't get to see because most are PVPC, which means the walls cannot be hacked. But this is one of the unique characteristics of our 3-bedroom flexi that you should see for yourself. And it's absolutely fantastic for somebody who wishes to customize, create a new kind of living space and environment for themselves. And last but not least, this is my favorite, the 4-bedroom as well as the 5-bedroom. So currently in the market, we all say the units are getting smaller and smaller.
You're right.
People say, oh, we're becoming more like Hong Kong, getting more packed like sardines.
Correct.
But if you see the 4-bedroom and the 5-bedroom for yourselves, you will see that the developer has spared no change to make sure that the buyers will get the most comfortable layout they can find in the market, and the 4 and 5-bedders will definitely be pampered by the developer. In terms of size, they are very squarish, very well rounded, and there's no wasted space. Even the balcony, you can find that it's not a very big space. It doesn't take up a lot of your floor area. The 5-bedroom is multi-generational. You have a junior master, a master bedroom, and you can actually partition it into 2 sides. So so that there's a separation between different families and you get a little privacy for your family to stay in the 5-bedroom. So the 5-bedroom is very rare in the market today. You can hardly find any more 5-bedrooms at this size, 1,500 square feet and above. So this is something that you will miss if you don't come to see Botany. You will definitely not get to find again.
I'm excited.
Yeah, great.
So, talk about so much about the floor plan. I want to know the more exciting part. What's going to be a price?
Everybody wants to know the question. If you look at the surrounding, a lot of CCR projects, RCR projects are already more than 2,100 per square feet. But for Botany, I believe looking at the surroundings, we should be expecting the prices to be around 2,000 to 2,001 per square foot on average. And as you can see, based on the land price that you're getting at below 1,000 PSF, PPR, we are expected to be one of the cheapest new launches this year.
There you have it. All the reasons why the Botany at Dairy Farm is a fantastic place to call home.
We hope you enjoyed our analysis and learned something new about this exciting new launch.
If you are interested in learning more or booking a viewing appointment, be sure to contact any OrangeTee and Thai agent. They'll be happy to help you out.
So what are you waiting for? Come and see Botany at Dairy Farm for yourself. See ya!